2500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Come on, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Today was D-Day. Today was D-Day for me. We couldn't get to that 6 payout challenge. Couldn't get there, pandas. We just couldn't get there. Too many rough days ahead of us. We still have about 10 accounts we're working with here. But pandas, like, I'm just telling you, the price action's just been absolute doo-doo caca. We're going to take a trade soon here. I think I need like a moment to reset, to be honest. I just need like a moment to reset. Jeez Louise. Good morning, everybody. Bubstar says he's wearing black for my accounts. Rest in peace. Those accounts were ancient. But didn't we have a good run with them? Didn't we have a good run with them, pandas? Was it not fun along the journey? You know what that means, pandas? We'll get it started again. Start back from 0. We'll get our 20 accounts back tomorrow. Right now, we're going to trade 10 accounts. We're going to try to take a big mama here. Let's get some bamboo. Kevin Matt, good morning. Pablo, good morning. Tate, good morning. Luis, good morning. Andrea, good morning. Andre, good morning. Ashraf, good morning. Welcome, everybody. I mean, pandas, it was D-Day. D-Day for those accounts. Sorry. I tried. I really did try, pandas. But sometimes trying is just not enough. Pandas, it's all good. I mean, we got good ROI on those accounts. We got very good ROI on those accounts. It's just unfortunate. It's just so sad we had to lose them. Such absolute terrible diarrhea price. They lasted a long time, pandas. I'll tell you that right now. They lasted a very long time. Like, they did exceedingly well. You know what I mean, pandas? Exceedingly well. Those accounts. Alright, trap triggers and reverses immediately. After 2 strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. I was thinking get a little bit of fall through, but none whatsoever. Get absolutely sucked out of this trade. Absolutely amazing price action still. So incredible. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta absolutely love this absolute chop right here. You gotta love it. Big push down. You just take the loss. Move on. Next trade. You know what I mean, pandas? You take the loss. Move on. Next trade. That's how life goes. All right, we're good. Goodness gracious, pandas. Just reverses. Just absolutely no reason. Just want to reverse one time for absolutely no reason, but it's all good. We'll take the big mama here. See if we get some bamboo. High or low? Is it worth? Is a high or low worth? This is so sus. It's a higher high worth it here. So I'm gonna pause. Now with that signal bar, no sorry. We'll just take the big mama when it triggers. Marcus Vaughn says it's been just over a year, so I've gotten the payout, but I just hit the goal and now qualify for Congratulations, Marcus Vaughn. You're absolutely killing it. It's absolute terrible price action. Just imagine the price action was actually good. how much more you'll be killing it. We'll take Big Mama here. We'll go for it. It's too tough. Too tough. Second entry long here. Hidden second entry long. Let's get the second entry long, actually. Okay, hidden second entry long here. Probably good enough to trigger Big Mama. What is going on here? It's just tickling. It's tickling this target. It's tickling it. All right. Let's get ready to rumble. I love a nice push up here if possible. I love a nice push up here if possible. Big Mama triggers. Big Mama has been struggling for the last year or so. This entire year has been struggling, absolutely. Do I even want it? Do I even want to hold this after reversal after Big Mama triggers? I don't know. Jeez, what a push down off Big Mama. Yeah, we're dead. We're dead. Sayonara. Big Mama's so trash. What is this, pandas? I don't know what's going on. It's every single day Big Mama fails. Just trickling up reverses, trickles up reverses, trickles up reverses. Take the Big Mama reversals from now on, jeez. Rest of my life. I mean, I might as well. I might as well see how what kind of move. Look at this 5-minute chart. What kind of move is this? What's going on here, pandas? I have no clue. Try to take a Big Mama. Couldn't get it. Huge push up, right? Looking for some follow up there, but said double tops. Big down, big up. What a move back down. Absolutely incredible. Pandas, I'm just saying, I'm so tilted. We're still tilted right now. Yeah. I got it. We're dead. All our accounts are dead. I'm about to jump to TPT here. I'm very close to jumping to TPT here. Very close to jumping TPT. Reversing this. Looking for trading range. Absolutely looking for trading range here. So ridiculous. So ridiculous. Looking for trading range. It's just like, it's such terrible price action. We're going to look for just a bounce straight right back up. If we don't get it, we don't get it. I'm about to jump to TPT soon. Goodness gracious. What in the world is going on here?
Target filled. Target filled.
I mean, L4 setup. I'll take my L4 or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bear bull bars in a row. We're gonna try reverse anyways. This could be the big push up here. The market needed. I'm looking for L4 setup. We get burned. Every single setup we're getting burned. Burned alive, pandas. Goodness gracious. Look at this huge push down. You're looking for some sort of follow through, but no follow through givens. I don't know, pandas. We're busting these accounts. We're trading full tilt mode right now. It's absolutely sickening. So sick. So sick. My goodness, so sick here. Look at these little teeny bars. Like, what's going on here? I have no clue. Absolutely no clue here. Yeah, Panda's like, what are we dealing with here? What is this? What kind of channel is this right now? Bear flag. Is that the reversal we're looking for now? I mean, how long was I waiting for that? How long was I waiting for that? Goodness gracious. Full tilt. I'm gonna jump to TPT soon. So ridiculous here. So ridiculous. We're about to jump to TPT. We're about to jump to TPT. I don't know what's going on here. I'm thinking new low, but I have no clue. What is this nonsense? Looking for the L4 setup. L4 fails. It ends up being an L5 setup that works. Who's waiting for 5 pushes up before reversing? Who's waiting for that? So ridiculous. No clue. Wow, pandas. I mean, it is what it is. It gets us. And then nice makes a nice move back down. That's what we wanted. We wanted that move down, but pandas, I mean, how many tests? How many tests do we need? Pretty much measure move made. Maybe a little bit more measure move. Lower high. This is a really eager play here. Really eager play to lower high. Yeah, lower high would have worked out nicely. Eager play would have worked for the measure move. Pandas. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Everything I knew about trading, just throw out the window. Everything you know about trading, just throw it out the window. Who cares? Strong bear bars, strong bull bars, no follow through on those. Who cares about follow through? No such thing as follow through anymore. We're gonna reverse here. Just launch back up. Why not? Fill the gap maybe first before we do anything. Big up, big down. I mean, I have no clue. What in the world's happening here? I mean, I wanted to go short. But, I mean, how many times do I have to wait for this to go down? I don't understand. It's ridiculous. I mean, second short is a good play. Could wait for it, but it kind of made its measure move. More or less. More or less made its measure move. The trap far away from 20 MA works out beautifully. I try to take that trap, same trap here, where it fails miserably, but works beautifully here. So it's hard to take. Can't take this trade either. I mean, it makes a measure move now. Easily. Easily, and breaks through it, actually. Just strong downtrend. Beeline to fill the gap. Cool. Very cool. Very cool. Second short. After measure moves made, I mean, now I'm cautious. It doesn't matter. First entry. It's just overlapping bars now. This is too difficult, man. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Alex says, just got Apex 50K PA. Is there a max amount I should be making a day, or does it not matter? It depends. It depends on what your goal is. If your goal is to get payouts like as soon as possible, which is the bare minimum that you need is $2,000, then you need to calculate the 30% consistency rule off your 2,000. But if you want max payout, which is $4,000, like which is a $2,000 payout, which means you have to get your accounts up to 4K. That means that you need to trade up. You know, you can use that 4,000 as your 30% consistency rule. So it depends. If you want minimum, then your consistency rule, basically 2,000 divided times 0.3 equals around $600 per day. If you want to pull out max, if you want to pull out max, then what's 4,000 times 0.3? You can make 1,200. Depends on what you want to do. Now, market's absolutely just shenanigans here. I don't know. Panda. I tried to go short here. I couldn't make it. Couldn't get the timing right. It's ridiculous. How many pushes up it had? It's 5 pushes up. So I'm not predicting 5 pushes up here. You know what I mean, Pandas? 4 pushes up, pretty good. 5 pushes up, no clue. Not sure if I'm waiting for more than 4 pushes up here. We're bouncing here. We can have a full-blown reversal. Who knows? Market's wacky. Pandas, I'm so tilted. We were done. I mean, we basically, we don't have our payout challenge anymore. I try to get it. I try to get 6 payouts. Man, but the market just proved to be too difficult for me. This market has been so incredibly difficult. I'm not gonna lie. Why else is there's a weird smell going on in my room? I asked my wife if she farted, but she said no. Maybe you farted. Maybe one leaked out. You just didn't know. I'll take it. Whatever, Pandas. I'm so tilted. Like, what's the difference at this point? Do I even wait for my setup? Yeah, wait for it. I'll wait for it. Always wait for the setup. If you don't get it, you don't get it. But always wait for it. Fails like entry short is what I'm looking for here. Wait for it. Not a trigger. There it is. Let's get it. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. I actually like that little pullback. Closer to 20 EMA, the better for me. Measure move made. 20 EMA, 5-minute chart. Big up, big down. Thinking we're in bottom trading range. Just get up. Let's get this back up. Let's get this back up. Absolutely. So ridiculous. I'm glad it's over, though. I'm glad it's over. Kind of resetting here, everything. So incredible, though. So incredibly difficult. 6 payouts is very difficult, Panos. 6 payouts is very difficult. Especially when you get max payouts. Oh, this track goes nowhere. Very cool. At least I waited for my setup. This is the setup I wanted. Okay, big push up. I don't know what's happening here, pandas. This is crazy. This is crazy. I mean, I'm just been tilted out of my mind. Breakout retest of this trading range, perhaps. That's what that was. Breakout retest of that. Bounced off of it like perfectly. I mean, I guess. Whatever. Whatever. At this point, doesn't really matter. All right, bye-bye. Very nice. Very, very nice. Well, at least we can do what we love doing. Trading take profit. At least we can do what we love doing. Trading take profit. Here we go. Take profit. Here we come. Just give me a second here. All right. We filled the gap finally. I was trying to fill the gap here, but we're jumping take profit, pandas. We got pro accounts. We got 4 of them. Let's rock and roll. 150K accounts. We're going to take a break from Apex, pandas. We're absolutely going to take a break from Apex. We're going to focus on our take profit. Let's see what we can get here. I mean, the daily chart is just wacky. What was the point of this news if all we're going to do is just retrace the entire thing? No clue. I have no idea what news even does anymore. It creates injects incredible volatility, but doesn't do anything. Super choppy to fill the gap. Super choppy to fill the gap, but we are going in a downwards direction, pandas. Whoo, pandas. It is what it is. It is what it is. We're jumping TPT. We're going to take a break from Apex, pandas. We're going to focus a little bit on TPT this time. We're going to focus on TPT. Time to get it. Second inch short. Forming here. Coming off the gap fill. We could look for a reversal here. Why not? We're going to trade these very surgically. We're going to trade these very surgically here. Second inch short. Reversing back up here. We'll take a 2. Just in case we get a runner. That's TPT. That's a trade. That's a marquee thing of TPT. Goes right through your orders. It's so sick. All right now. I have to retrace this back down. On a full-blown reversal, we gotta get at least a 1-to-1. Honestly, a 1-to-2 is preferred, but we gotta get at least a 1-to. We can't get a 1-to-1. This trade is shot on a major trend reversal. Coming off of the gap fill, seeing if we can get a reversal set up here with a fail second entry short, and it's looking like it is
2500
struggling
tick
here.
trap.
And it is what it is. If we lose, we lose. We lose, we lose. What else can we say? Alright, all good. All good. Major trend reversals off key areas. That work out. Takes me out, then launches off. You gotta love that. You gotta absolutely love that move. You gotta love that move. But I'm not gonna risk more than that. It was the appropriate risk. Right, we're taking out at the pivot low. Now launches. I mean, this is every single day. Every single day. Every single day. Every single trade. Now it launches. It wanted to reload one more time before it launched here. I don't know. It is what it is. Multiple pushes up. What else can I do? Just watch. We're 0-2. Absolutely losing it here, but it's okay. I mean, lost like 50,000 trades in a row, but it's all good. It's all good. I mean, it's just like fail second just short. We get the setup here. We get the setup we actually wanted, and it takes me out almost to the tick, then launches off. So, what else can you do about that, Pandas? Just seriously, what else can you do about that? Not much. It is what it is. Now it's like launching. Now it's like kind of going where I want it to go. After it just takes me out. It's just silly. Kevin Mac, don't listen to Weil. He's trolling you. He's trolling you. But I love that. I love the effort. Whoo! Day after day after day. Goodness gracious. Bye bye. Just bye bye. I mean, Pandas. What can you do? We're trading TPT accounts. Launches here. I mean, we just missed the move because of this pullback here that took me out perfectly. I don't know what else. I don't know how much more risk I was willing to take on that trade. Launching back up. You gotta love it. We missed the move because of this ridiculous pullback. Takes me out perfectly. Now it's launching, so. That's so ridiculous, man. Oh, yeah, we missed this incredible move up. We miss it. I mean, and that's like an impossible follow through here to really jump in. We fill the gap perfectly in the 5-minute chart. Just so ridiculous every time. Every trade is just does the thing. It does the thing, you know what I mean? Every trade. I don't know what to make of this. This trend line doesn't matter anymore. All right, I don't know, Pandas. What are we doing here? What is this V bottom type situation? So frustrating getting stopped out like that. I gotta learn how to. Once or twice is fine, but after like 20 times, it's kind of like it's just annoying. It's just annoying. Just keep getting stopped out, and then launching. How many times can your brain take that? I don't know. Second entry long. Hitting second entry long, but let's wait for the setup. Whatever. We're going to get a little bit of follow through here. One time. Potentially bouncing off like some sort of pivot here. Not a second entry long is beneath the 20 MA. If it's a good signal bar, I'll consider it, but it has to be a good signal bar. Like, can't be a signal bar that looks like this. There she goes. This is why this is so confusing. You get these huge pushes up, big retracements. Very difficult to trade. Beneath the 20 MA, 20 MA is curling down. I can't take this trade. I can't take a reversal either. I can't imagine this keep going short either. I'm thinking it wants a new high before it makes a new move down. Second entry long, good signal bar, but beneath the 20 MA, not my style. It's not my setup. Not that my setup's even work right now. I think that's the issue, Pandas. I don't know. I don't know. It's one of those days. One of those weeks. One of those months. Honestly, the price action has been trash for the last like 5 months. Ever since like basically summer started, just absolute trash. Like so ridiculous. Like it's untradeable. Fail second entry short, or fail second entry long here. We'll take on the failure here. Looking for that new high. I'm just saying, like every time I take a trade like this and it fails, it just like launches the other way. So sometimes I try to take it, like as if I was taking that short. How would I feel if it reversed back up? Pretty terrible. It never does. Actually, like if I'm in this short right now, it never does this. I'll tell you that. If it comes back up like this, like 1,000% chance I'm dead. It never actually falls. But if I actually try to take advantage of the fact that that happens, it I don't know. Like if this happened, I would have been 1,000% dead already if I took this short. 1,000% dead. Jeez. We're in. Failed trap here. New high perhaps. It's the best I could look for. If we don't get it, we don't get it. Move on. Move on with our lives. We'll live. We will live. Certainly we will live. Are we making money today? Are we
Target
green
filled.
today? We actually took a trade that worked. That is just, it feels weird. Just feels weird. I didn't know I could make money. I didn't know I could actually make money. I thought those days were over making money. That making money profit day, I thought those days were over. We're actually in a trade and we're winning. How incredible is that, Pandas? We're actually making money going with trend. Like the last couple days, I could not even make money going with trend. It was just so frustrating. Every single day. Nonsense after nonsense. Strong bull bar ending on its high. I'm guessing it wants to come back up. I don't know. We'll take on the first reversal. First reversal. We're up 810. Wow, Pandas. We made bamboo. We made bamboo. So crazy. Head and shoulders. Coming off the gap here. That's why I say I can't go short here because this needs another leg up here. We finally got another leg up. Actually did what it's supposed to do. First time in a million years. My goodness gracious, Pandas. My goodness gracious. I took on the first reversal. If I still like the uptrend, I can go long again, but I'll probably keep scalping from here. I just don't like these gaps right now. Like, we have this space here that probably needs to be tested. Because imagine, like, you had a runner like I did. The market rarely allows runners to really run. Like, you most likely would have stopped out. How much did we make on that? We made 46 points on that trade. 24 points on this trade. I'll take it. High or low? Second entry long. Continuation here. Maybe not. Maybe just a higher low. That's all you get. All first entries only here. Yep. First entries only here. No second entry longs. Okay, not bad. Not too shabby here.
2500 tick trap.
Being patient. Be absolutely patient here. Breakout retest of the neckline here. Breakout retest. Breakout retest of this neckline. First entry right off of it. Also, the 20 EMA. Like I said, there's a gap here on this move up. Oftentimes, I don't know, these gaps fill. What do I want to do here? It's quite a big pullback. Of course, second entry long
2500
would be
tick trap.
nice if we can get it. Issue is we're not going to get it. That's the main issue. This is going to make a new high before it makes a new low. Not a new low, but before it breaks the previous candle's low. Most likely break this high. These two strong bull bars. If we get an opportunity here, I'll go long. If we get an opportunity here, I'll go long, right? 20 EMA also a retest of this, which means two key areas. We don't get it, though. We don't get our setup. We don't get the second entry long. It's kind of blast off here. Most likely going to move from here. Yeah, so it doesn't give us our entry. Doesn't give us our setup. It tries to, but doesn't quite get there. It's all good. We miss it. Moving on. I'm in no rush here. Like, it's just, I mean, what else do I expect, you know? One leg back up. Just breaks these high after this deep pullback. What else should I expect here, Pan? There's nothing else. Nothing else except the worst, you know what I mean? Just don't get set up. Don't get second entry low. Don't get a higher low. Just one leg up. Looks nasty. That's all it is. How else can you trade that? No clue? No clue how else you trade that. Okay. I reloaded my historical and it looks different. We did get the higher low when I reload the historical, which caused us a nice push up. So my chart was off, which is why I missed that move. It was really off. 2500 take chart action makes a beautiful fail second entry short above the 20 MA. I mean, that's why I went long anyway, so it ended up being a beautiful move, but jeez. I wish my historical was correct, because that's crazy. All right, here's for the trade 20 minutes ago. Not really feeling the glasses once you like busted, you know, your accounts and you start fresh new ones. I don't like queuing the glasses. It's so frustrating. But it's all good, Pandas. We didn't have the correct the correct chart here, but now we do. Missed a good setup here. I mean, free money. I'll take free money when you give it to me. I'll take free bamboo if you give it to me. No longer that free. It's all good. Deep pullback. This chart looks ridiculous. 5 minute. I mean, literally the 5 minute chart. Second entry long. That's all it is. Off the gap fill. This is probably making a V bottom. I mean, this is probably gonna really shoot up here. I think we're gonna break these highs again. I could wait for a second entry long. Might as well. What else do we have to wait for? Okay, triggers the first entry off the 20 MA. Beautiful. Second entry long. Austin Harris says, need to learn limit order trade, game changer for me this summer. Yeah. Like summers like today, like this summer, limit order market is your best friend. Seriously. It's absolutely insane. Okay. I guess I'll try here. I like if it touched my trend line, but it's not doing so. If it does touch the trend line, I might increase my contract sizes here. I think close enough for me. Let's try. I wouldn't be surprised if it blows right through my order and doesn't fill me. All right, there it is. We're going to try to reach these levels here and have a runner. Second entry long coming off 2 key areas on a strong uptrend.
2500 tick trap.
It's the name of the game here. It's the name of the game here. Good signal bar as well. For me, like, this setup is like A setup, almost A plus setup. So you got to try with heavier contracts, in my opinion, when you get a setup this good. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It looks like it's not going to work. It's all good. You got to try. You got to try when you get situations like this. You got to try when you're in situations like this. Very good looking setup. Good looking signal bar. Coming off 2 key areas. 20 EMA, trend line, and also near key
2500
areas.
tick trap.
It does take me out, unfortunately so. But it's getting sideways now. I mean, Pan's like, I got to try there. I got to try. I got to really try right there. I mean, it's such a good setup. Do I try here as well? Do I try here as well? I guess. Whatever. Failed trap. Failed try, whatever. We're going to miss the move. All good. It's going to blast off. Yeah. We're in. $10-point trade. We're looking just to hit these key areas here. Previous week's high. The failed trap. Coming for trend lines again and key area 20 EMA. So this is my trade here. Win or lose, I love this trade. Win or lose, I love the trade. Strong bull bar, ending on high, no follow through whatsoever. It's never a good sign. When you get a strong bull bar and then no follow through whatsoever, actually just reverses. On the other time frame, higher time frame, it's just a big wick. It just creates a huge wick. And it's actually ultimately like a reversal. It's all good. I like the trade. I'm going to hold it. How high can we fly? How high can we fly? never a good sign when you're supposed to break out, but you don't. I'm expecting a huge move up here. Not a move up, not a huge move, but snap up to these key areas. The fact that we can't snap up to them makes me feel like there's a lot of front runners here trying to reverse it. Like, we're supposed to easily snap up to these key areas, but we're not doing so. So it makes me feel like the opposite's going to happen. Just letting it cook forever, I guess. It's getting well done now. It's getting overcooked. It's truly getting overcooked now, unfortunately. Yeah. Yep, we still have some key areas to act as support, but we're dead here. Yeah. When it's like doesn't do what's it's supposed to do, the opposite usually happens, and that's what's happening here. We're gonna be dead here. I don't know. I don't know how else to do that trade. I mean, I'm holding it, right? I'm holding it to get to these key areas. I don't mind losing this trade. I guess I could have came up break even, but felt like it was a little too soon. I don't know what to do here. I don't know how else to manage that trade other than how I did it. I'm just like, I'm holding. I'm holding to at least hit the key areas. At least hit these key areas with the previous week's high, previous week's close. I'm like holding to at least touch that on such a strong uptrend, such a good setup
2,500 tick trap.
Higher low does trigger. I can come up break even if I want at this point. We'll hold because we already held it. I mean, we already held it, so whatever. Whatever happens, happens at this point. Because now at this point, we're supposed to reverse big bear bar, but no follow through in the bear bar, so it makes it feel like you're reloaded to hopefully make this move now, but we'll see. We shall see. Really struggling here. Big bull bar ending on its high. Right, 3 bull bars ending on their highs. It's typically a good sign for me if you're long. At this point, we take risk off. Jeez Louise, man. I was like, we can't touch these key areas. It's just so sick. So sick. We can't touch these key areas here. So sick. So sick. We're getting so close, but we can't do it. So sick, this price action right now, and we're dead. We come out break even here, most likely, yep. It's so sick, pandas. It's so sick. I don't know. I don't know, pandas. Like, it's so sick. We get like a couple points away. It's so sick, pandas. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Just take my risk off, whatever. I don't know. I don't want to stick around and find out. I don't want to stick around and find out.
2,500 tick trap.
Too disgusting. Yeah. Too disgusting now. I don't know. It's basically creating a trading range at this point. I don't know. I don't want to FAFO. I don't want to FAFO here. Like, I don't want to get married to this premise. It's not acting as it should, right? 3 strong bull bars in a row. No follow through. So sick. It just reverses. I mean, it's just, like, if you look at the higher time frames, this is what it looks like. Just absolute trash when it gets near these key areas. 5-minute chart. Just overlapping bars. Might need to reload, right? 1 leg down, 1 leg back up. Right? It needs 2 legs up here. That's what I'm expecting. So I want these lows to break before we really make the move up. I mean, if this launches, it launches. I mean, just not much you can do about it. I mean, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. Strong bull bar on its high, but creating pure trading range now. Creating a pure trading range right now. It's just so sick. Imagine going long there or seeing this right after you go long. How would you feel? How would you feel if that happened? So sick. So incredibly sick. Okay, now it moves up. I mean, Panda's like, I'm not holding this. I'm not holding it through all of this. Like, at this point, like, I just don't know. It's like, feels like 50-50. But at this point, Pandas, it's just like, everything is going against me when it comes to trading. It's very difficult to trade. Right? Like, I think I do the right thing, come out break even here, because you're supposed to make the move here. Gives you a deep pullback. We still actually haven't touched the key areas, which is the most ridiculous thing ever. Still haven't touched the key areas here. So tilted. I mean, whatever. Is this not the move now? Is this not the move now? Are we not breaking out now? Is this not the case? Sean Bear bar any nears low. Still, even if you went long here, you still don't touch these key areas. It's so sick. So sick. I'm telling you, it's so sick. You don't understand how sick that is. You don't understand how sick that is. That is... That's crazy. That's actually crazy. It's actually crazy, this price. Like, look at what happened to this. Look at what happened here. Like, why? Just why? Why? I'm looking for a second leg up now on the 5-minute chart. But
2500 tick trap.
this could be it. Who knows? Every leg up could be it, or every leg up could be the big push down. Who knows at this point? It's 50-50. 50-50. So dumb. This price action. It's actually so stupid. My goodness. I'm just sitting pause. I don't care what happens here. Panda's like, I'm sorry. It's not much you can do. It's not much you can do here. Just watch. It's too confusing. Too 50-50. We might get the higher low now. I want the higher low on the 5-minute chart. We need to break the previous candle's low first, though. That is the crux of the issue. I can't go long until that previous candle's low breaks first. Right, because now we reloaded, right? We reloaded at the bottom of the trading range. That's kind of what I want to see. Second entry long. Coming for trend line 20 EMA. Still waiting for that break of the previous candle's low on the 5-minute chart. We may never get it. I mean, I've seen them. I've seen it never break before. It is what it is. Second entry long. This might be the one that pushes us up. Who knows? We've been waiting a long time. This could be the one that finally breaks out. Finally touches, finally gonna touch the key areas here with this move up. Like, it's just so hard to predict when this was gonna happen. Like, completely overlapping bars in a row. I'm just bewildered here. In fact, we don't touch the key areas yet. We still don't touch the key areas yet. I cannot tell you how ridiculous that is, not being able to touch the key areas like that. It is so silly that we cannot touch the key areas. We have not yet touched the key areas, right above. Right above us. It's actually so ridiculous. We haven't touched these key areas. It's unbelievable, actually. It's actually unbelievable price action. We haven't touched these key areas yet. It's actually unbelievable. Previous week's high and close have not been tested yet. And it's just like, it should be a magnet. It should be a magnet. But for somehow, it hasn't touched it yet. It's probably going to touch it here. I don't know. Yeah, it's probably. I mean, if we break the previous candle's high, most likely touch these key areas. Broke the previous candle's high. Still hasn't touched the key areas. Still waiting. No clue what's happening here. Like, the bulls are loading up here. Just buying and buying and buying and buying. Expecting to touch these key areas. Expecting to break this high. At this point, that's what I'm thinking as a bull. Like, you're gonna blow out, break out here, and you're gonna hit these highs. That's as a bull is what I'm thinking. As a bull, that is 100% what I'm thinking. We finally touched the key areas. Finally touched the key areas. We touch one key area. We actually don't hit the second one. We don't hit the previous week's high. Only the close. I'm just looking at the price action right now, and as long as we're like super choppy like this, like, it's hard for me to enter anywhere. As long as we're super choppy, your best trade is going long at the bottom of this range. That's your best trade, actually, which is silly, but that's your best trade. It's actually your best trade, going long at the bottom of the super chop, like super duper chop. As a bull, you're thinking you're going to test the highs. Especially with this much consolidation here, you're thinking this is just loading up for a huge move up. You're thinking you're loading up for a huge move up here. The hard part is the timing. The timing. Timing. For me, I want a second leg up on the 5-minute chart. That's all I want. 5-minute chart, you just want, right, this is one leg. You want a break of the previous candle's low and then another push up. For me, that's what it's going to take to get to the highs. But we haven't gotten there yet. So I'm just waiting. Like, I don't think we have enough in the tank to get there. This is being silly still. Okay, another push up. Cool. I don't know. I'm getting impatient, pandas. I'm getting antsy here. Getting real antsy. So many pushes up here. Oh my goodness. What is going on? I'm getting antsy. Getting very antsy here. Getting real antsy. Oh, bouncing out the bottom of my channel here. Could have choreographed that a long time ago. I still want to break of a previous candle's low on the 5-minute chart. We haven't gotten it yet. Isn't that silly? We haven't broken a previous candle's low yet on the 5-minute chart. Is this the candle that's gonna happen? I have no clue. Getting real antsy here. Getting real antsy.
2500 tick trap.
I don't know, pandas. Your best bet was a buy at the bottom of this channel, but second too long. But literally in the middle of chop. Very hard to take. No clue what's gonna happen here. Really anything can happen. It's 50-50. But we do hit the bottom of the channel, maybe hitting the top of the channel now. What you can do is wait for the breakout, then enter. But you'll miss a big chunk of the move. Ooh, trap trade actually setting up here. Do I trap? Not really. I don't know how far down it's going to go. But I'll tell you this. If we make a higher high on the 5-minute chart, I'm ready to go long. This could be the thing that finally breaks the previous candle's low on the 5-minute chart here. The 5-minute chart is having a hard time breaking the previous candle's low. Cannot do it. 2500 tick chart absolutely looks like barbed wire right now. Goodness gracious. Failed trap. Okay, no failed trap. Eh? Hello. Goodbye. Okay. Just try kicks and giggles here. Kicks and giggles.
2,500 tick trap.
Kicks and giggles here. Kicks and giggle trade just in case this does something amazing. The 5 minutes refusing to break a previous candle's low, so might as well join them. Might as well join them. It's refusing to break a previous candle's low, might as well join them. Kicks and giggles trade about to die. I think it hit. Kicks and giggles trade now getting heavier with 2 contracts. Kicks and giggle trade. Can it turn to something amazing? Who knows? Looks like the kicks and giggles trade is gonna kick and giggles my butt here. Kicks and giggles my butt right now. Jeez. We're dead. Kicks and giggles trade, I mean, it really refused to break a previous candle's low, so I said, alright. We finally break a previous candle's low on the 5-minute chart. It took forever, but we did it. We paid a hefty fine for it. We paid a hefty fine for it, I admit. Finally break a previous candle's low on the 5-minute. I'm going to try to go long on the higher low on the 5-minute chart. This could be just absolute rejection off this area. When we finally touched it, like, obviously there's a lot of rejection leading up to it. I don't know, but to me it just felt like bulls were just loading up here. Feels like bulls are just loading up here. I may take a big trade here. Last trade for these accounts. We're going to go heavy here. Can we go heavy one time? Can we go heavy one time with a failed second entry short? Heavy one time on the take profit counts? Can we go heavy one time here? We're going 15 contracts. We're going heavy. This is it, pandas. All or nothing. Pandas, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you scalp that like button.
2,500
We're
tick
going to do
trap.
it for the content. All in. Fail second entry short if we get it. Come to Papa. Give me that fail second entry short. Getting above the 20 MA now. Bulls are loading up. I don't know if I'm going to get my entry, but if I get it, pandas, get ready to rock and roll. That's all I'm about to say. Get ready to rock and roll. Absolutely get ready to rock and roll here if we get our setup. I don't think we're going to get our setup. I don't think the market's going to allow us to rock and roll here. But if it does, pandas, get ready. It's going to be wild. It's going to be insane, I'm telling you right now. It's going to be absolute nuts. Okay?
2,500 tick
pullbacks
trap.
here. It's just going straight up. We might get the breakout without our setup. All good. Super strong bull bar, 2,500 tick chart. Like super strong bull bar. It's as bull you can get. Right? Literally any on its high. Can we get our setup one time, pandas? One time. Five-minute higher low created. I mean, the 5-minute higher low is enough on its own to go long. But we're going to be patient here, pandas. Because if we're going to go all in, we want to go all in with the best setup possible here. Fail second entry short is the setup here. Can we get it? Is that possible? First pullback. Sorry, first entry. First entry now. What is going to happen here? This higher low is going to make things a little tricky because we're going to be far away from a 20 MA. We're going to be a little far from the 20 MA here. Get ready, pandas. Will the market give us our setup? Is a higher low enough for me to enter? No way. Not with 15. Not with full port. I'm not going to full port it on the higher low. I've done those before, and I'll tell you right now. It is not good. It's typically not very good. Get ready, pandas. Let's get our setup. This is what I'm looking for. A, B, C, A. Ba-boom. This is what I'm looking for right now, pandas. Get ready. Full port, pandas. Get ready. One time. One time. Okay, the higher low created. So all we need now is another push down and then Bambooskis. We need another push down here. I can't let it get too far away. If the fails I get short is too far away, now a new high is created. This is getting tricky. I'm thinking we're going to make these highs, all right? The bulls have loaded up this entire way down, or entire way up. You can tell because once the bears tried to reverse it, they didn't allow it. Right? This was just a final reload for the bulls. So now we're launching up. Can we get a setup one time? One time. One time. One time. It needs to break a previous candle's low, and then we'll jump in. Full port here. Oh, pandas. The problem now at this point, we call the move. The problem at this point is that we cannot get the setup to jump in the move. We are waiting for it, but we cannot get it. The higher low was it. We can't get it, pandas. Like I said, the higher low on the 5-minute chart was in itself alone good enough to go long. But pandas, I said, if we're going to full port, we want our setup, right? We want that perfect setup. We want it. Right, you could tell the bulls are loaded up, especially with the spike down and then V bottom. You know the bulls were just waiting for that move down so they can just reload. Unfortunately, my setup is very far away from the 20 MA. So I cannot take it here. I cannot go long here. I unfortunately cannot. It is too far from the 20 MA. I gotta wait for a second entry long at this point. So that's unfortunate. So we cannot get fireworks today. It's just not the setup I'm looking for. It's not the setup I'm looking for, unfortunately. I need a second entry long if I want to go long. If you give me a second entry long, I'll try. But other than that, I cannot take it on this trap. This trap is too far away from 20 MA. We already made a new high, break a trend, new high. It's just too sus. Too sus. Too sus. At this point, I need this. We're too far away from 20 MA at this point. We're just a little too far away from 20 MA to take this trade. Especially if we want to full port it. I mean, I'll take it with 2. I won't full port it, but I'll take it with 2. If we get the second entry long, then I'll full port. 3 bear bars in a row. Okay. Yeah, you're definitely not full porting it now with that bear bar looking that nasty. That's stanky. It's looking stanky now. Maybe the bears were in control the whole time and they were waiting for a pop up so they can short it. Maybe the bears were in control the whole time. So sick. Confused. I wanted a full port trade, but not getting one. Okay, one time full port trade. One time. We've got the setup on the 5-minute chart. We actually have a setup on the 5-minute chart, but the problem with full porting on the 5-minute is the risk is it can pull back very easily. And with today's price action, I do not know what's happening really. 2500 take chart is still clearly above the 20 MA. Basically making a spike in channel here, right? Spiked in channeling. 500 tick chart, lots of bear bars in a row. Basically comes back to this area. Bulls reloaded here, right? They missed this move up, they reloaded here. They either missed a move up or they needed to reload here at the original entry point. The 5-minute does have a trap setting up. I could try on the 5-minute trap. It's not that pretty, to be honest. It's not the prettiest trap I've seen, especially with all of these overlapping bars. But we may need to full port it. I need to get it out of my system. You know what I mean, Pandas? I kind of need to get it out of my system. Know what I mean, Pandas? Ah.
5-minute trap.
Okay. Outside bar reversal on the 5-minute. I don't know if I want that. I think I'm going to be patient here. Especially when you get this big up, big down. This has a lot of room for retracement still. But like I said, right, like the bulls the institutions, they needed to reload here because they couldn't get in their full positions. Now that they're reloaded here, not reload, but loaded again, right? Reload sounds like they, took the profits and got, but they needed to have a second load up to get their full positions in. Now they're in their full positions. This is ready to launch here. Fortunately, with the outside bar reversal on the 5 minute, I don't think I can take it. I mean, what do I have to lose, pandas? What do I really have to lose here? Oh, let's do it. Shall we dance? Shall we? What do we really have to lose here? Higher low would be great here. Higher low would be great here. 30 seconds. Okay, I kind of like that better. $30 seconds. 20 seconds now. 5 minute. Hopefully doesn't create an outside bar reversal. Hopefully I can just go long like right here. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
5-minute trap.
3. We're in. Full port, pandas. Full port. Full port. Can we get it? Full port one time. Uh-oh. 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 Big retracement. Big old retracements. That's not what I want. It's supposed to break out, but it's doing the opposite. This is not good, pandas. This is not good. It is doing the opposite of what I want. I need it to break out, but instead it's retracing. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Fail second entry short. Clear targets above. Full porting right now, pandas. Full port! Pandas! One time! One time! Can we get it, pandas? One time. One time. Pandas! Pandas! Oh, it's not really breaking out how I want it to break out. Oh. I cannot let it retrace. It cannot retrace because we are on the trailing threshold still. Whoa! Almost touched it. Oh, man. I think we're dead. It almost touched it, but it couldn't. I think we're dead. Those little pop-ups usually mean that it's reversing. Oh, GG's. I thought we could make it. Like that, those little pop-ups usually means reversing because it found the limit orders with that little pop-up. So usually reverses in this area because like usually when you pop up like that and reverses all of a sudden, that shows you where all the limit orders are. So they got a bunch of limit orders waiting up there. It's unfortunate. I don't know. I'm just gonna hold. We're gonna let this candle finish. Shall we? Shall we let the candle finish, pandas? Shall we let the candle finish? One time! One time! Pandas! No! One tick! One tick! One single tick! Pandas! No! How? One single tick! That's crazy! Literally one tick, we missed our target! No! Pandas! One tick! One single tick, why? Why is it always one single tick, pandas? Why is it always one single stinking tick every single time? Why is it one tick every single time, pandas? Why is it one single stinking tick? How is it possible? One single tick? Why? Why? Why?
Target filled.
I'm just taking it, pandas. I don't care. One single tick is not worth it. One single tick is not worth it. Goodness gracious, pandas. One single tick's not worth it. My goodness. Why does it do that? Oh, is it going to reach it now? Is it going to reach? Hey, it reaches it. Ah, pandas. I could have held. I could have got my full profit. But pandas, I mean, I'll take that so far. I'll take it. I'll take it, whatever. My goodness gracious, pandas. One single tick and it started to reverse on me. And I was like, not today. I'm just going to take my profits. I missed it by a couple ticks. It's all good, pandas. Like, we missed the profit by like two points. That's it, okay? I'm happy with that. We're up 3,000. This is Take Profit Pro accounts, pandas. You can see on the top left, it says Take Profit PRO. Take Profit Pro. We're up $3,865 on the Take Profit accounts, pandas. We are absolutely killing it. Goodness gracious, pandas. Do we have more to go? Do we have more to go, pandas? Do we absolutely have more to go here? I should have held it. I should have held that 5-minute candle. Goodness gracious, if I just held. What in the world is going on, pandas? Truly, what in the world is going on here? We break this high. We're at least gonna touch. We're gonna redo the Big Mama here. Redo Big Mama here. Goodness gracious, pandas. No consistency rule is the best rule. You know what I mean, pandas? No consistency rule is the best rule. We're going to try attempt a move up here. Right, just breaking this high. At least test the previous day's high. We're already there, pandas, with multiple bull bars in a row. We're going to just try it. If it doesn't give me a pullback, then we'll take it after the pullback again. We get the pullback, and we take it after the pullback again. We'll take the hit. We'll try again after the pullback. Another push up. We'll try again after the pullback. If we get hit, we get hit. We're going in more. Here we go. We're going to take with Big Mama as well. We're going in more with Big Mama as well. Going with Big Mama as well. Give me some love here with Big Mama, please, one time. Big Mama, second attempt on Big Mama here. Second attempt on Big Mama here. No love on Big Mama, looks like.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Japanesey. So easy, pandas. So easy. Just like that, pandas, we're absolutely killing it. Are we at static thresholds now? We hit the static threshold. We can just swing trade as much as we want at this point. We're on pure static thresholds now. Let's see if we get a runner on that Big Mama. It doesn't look like it's going to be so. Pandas can dream. But pandas can dream. Pandas can dream. Let me give a little room to breathe. Pandas can dream. Little room to breathe here. Little teeny room, a couple ticks. Give me like a point to breathe here. Give me like 1 point to breathe. We're on static thresholds, pandas. We're absolutely on static thresholds now, so we can swing this as high as we want. How high will it get? I have no clue. But we are on static thresholds on the TPT Pro accounts. Hoo-wee! I like to make 5K today if I can. Let's get up to 5K. Let's get our accounts up to 5K. 5K profits. I would like to get up 5K profits if possible. Second entry long maybe forming here. We'll just take the hit. Okay, we'll take the hit. We can re-enter on a second entry long. We're in static threshold. Like, we're in static threshold land, so we're fine. That means at this point, everything is profit. Pandas, everything is profit, pandas. Everything here I can literally withdraw today. We're withdrawing it today. Second entry long. Beautiful looking second entry long here. Amazing signal bar. Amazing signal bar. We're going to try here. We will absolutely try here. We'll absolutely try here. Second entry long. Beautiful looking second entry long as well. We're going to run this. See how high we can fly. How high can we fly? How high can we fly? We're at least looking for a new high here at the minimum. New high here at the minimum. We can run this a little bit. We could run this a little bit. Give me 10 points, you know? At least 10 points is what I want. 10 points minimum for a scalp, right? A 1-to-1. Pretty much 10 points. This is a rocket launcher right now. This is a rocket launcher.
$2,500 tick trap.
Target filled.
I made my 5K today, pandas. I made my 5K today. In fact, I made $700 I can withdraw today across 4 accounts. All-time highs, pandas. We're reaching all-time highs now. Hoo-wee! Hoo-wee! Don't forget, pandas, we can withdraw this money. Like, we can actually withdraw it. It's not like, oh, I can't withdraw. We can withdraw this money, pandas. Don't forget. Hoo-wee! You gotta love it. Second entry long, beautiful second entry long. I mean, you're gonna guess. The all-time high is gonna be a magnet here. It's gonna be an absolute magnet here. Can I make 1,000 more so I can withdraw 1,000 today? Can I make 1,000 more so I can withdraw 1,000? I love to withdraw 1,000 today. I would love to withdraw 1,000. Let me be able to withdraw 1,000 today, pandas. $1,000. That's my goal. Let's withdraw 1,000 today, which is 4K in one day, right? Because we can withdraw it today. You're thinking this is a magnet, and everything down here is just literally people just loading up to get to the all-time highs. You're thinking anything here at this point, people are just loading up to get to the all-time highs. Maybe I'll take it with 1 and I'll scale in. I'll keep scaling in to the all-time highs. Every reversal up. Until we have like a big break beneath the 20 MA, then I'll stop. But every reversal up, I'll look to try to get to the all-time high. Right? Because most likely we'll touch the all-time high, test it. And every pullback is basically opportunity for bulls to load up here. I'll take a load up at the 20 EMA as well. It's just so apparent that we want to touch the all-time highs. Like I don't know anything that can stop us from getting there. And it's kind of like nice when it does pull back because that means you can enter a bigger position. At this point, we're increasing our probability, right? High probability to get this. We're lessening our probability, but we're getting a higher position here. You know what I mean, Pandas? Higher probability to hit it, but we're only one contract. Lower probability, but higher contracts. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not. I'm not actually sure that's a good idea or not, but here it is. That's what we're doing here. I mean, it's just so apparent we're going to hit the all-time highs. Like, it's just no question about it. It's virtually 90% chance we're going to hit it soon. Within this leg up, I believe. Especially the 5-minute looking monstrous as it is. All bull bars in your heart. I mean, it's just... They're just going to buy. They're just going to buy at the end at this bull bar here. Let me copy this all-time high. It's not on this chart.
2,500 tick trap.
I don't know why it's not on this chart. Where is it? I can't add it. I don't know why. Did I not copy it? I don't know why I can't add it to this chart. We're going to reload the 20 EMA. One contract. $20 EMA or the second entry long. Are you going to even give me a chance to get in this? Okay, we're in. I mean, you're thinking it's going to test this. You know what I mean, Pandas? This is like A to A plus setup right now. Goodness gracious. I almost wish I loaded up more. I'm only in 2 contracts deep right now. I'm in 2 contracts deep right now, but we're just like making a beeline to the most obvious target ever. Most obvious target ever. Like, I don't know how much more obvious you can make this target, but we're going to build up position to it. We're building a position up to it. Like I said, every reversal up, I'm just buying. Unless we have a deep pullback beneath the 20 MA, then I'm out, but I don't know. I don't know if it's going to happen. It might happen. I'll take the hit, but geez Louise. Okay. I mean, I'll take it. How much bamboo is this? I wish I can be in a little bigger position, but it's okay. Be a little bigger position here. That'd be nice.
2,500 tick trap.
It is so obvious it's gonna hit this. Like, is it too obvious, Pandas? Like, am I gonna get crushed here? Is it just too obvious that it's gonna hit this target? Am I gonna get crushed? Is it too obvious? I gotta build another position here. I mean, strong bull bar ending on its high. Like, I gotta try at least a little bit more. Like, just a little bit more. You know what I mean, Pandas? Like, if we miss
Target
this... Alright, I
filled.
mean, wasn't that like the most obvious trade in the world? I mean, to me, that is like the most obvious trade in the world. We're up 875. I can pull out 18... What? I can pull out how much? 1,300 from these accounts. I think you need a 4,500 safety net. You need 4,500 safety net, so... Whoo! Pandas! I mean, whatever money we lost on Apex, like, we just regained it. 7,000 fold, you know what I mean, Pandas? 7,000 fold, we just made it up. Whatever we lost on Apex, we made it up 7,000 fold. Jeez Louise, Pandas. Crazy, 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 crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All-time highs. Woo! We finally made it. The all-time highs in the most spectacular fashion. V bottom to fill the gap. Man, if I like held... I don't know, Pandas. This is crazy. You know what's so funny? If I actually held that original trade, this could be 15 contracts of just pure profit. What would happen is TPT would administratively stop my accounts, close my trades, and they'll throw me into a pro account. You gotta do whatever you can to prevent yourself to go into pro. I know it sounds weird, but you do not actually want to go to pro accounts. You do not want to do it. Best guest trading exactly has it right. Don't make 10K or you go live. You go to Pro Plus. You don't want that actually. I mean, we're still rocketing here, pandas. Like, I don't know. Should I wait for a pullback or just jump in anywhere, everywhere? Like, you think some people want to take some profits at all-time highs, but as you can see, it's clearly not happening. This is a monster move, pandas. What did I say? What did I say? Right? You knew the bulls were loading up here. And this was the confirmation. The fact that this tried to reverse and it spiked back up. And then double tapped that entry. That is insane, pandas. Like, the institutions cannot make it any more obvious what it's trying to do here. They can't make it any more obvious. And the moment this bounced off, it never looked back. Right now, the institutions are fully in their positions here. And never looked back, pandas. So sick. So sick, pandas. Wow. So sick. So incredibly sick here. All-time highs. We broke through it. Feels good. I mean, this feels great. We're up 1,300. We're basically absolutely killing it. Don't forget, pandas, TPT, I can withdraw this money today. And I can have it in my bank account tomorrow. That's an extra $1,000. Extra 4,000. It's more than $4,000. What is it? Because you got to keep the safety net at 4,500. So we're at 5,875 minus 4,500. We're up 1,375 times 4. We're up 5K today, pandas. I mean, I got to try whatever. Even if I lose this, I don't even care. Even if I lose this, I don't even care.
2,500 tick trap.
Trying. We're just trying. As long as we're going up this strong, we're just trying here. We're just trying. Absolutely just trying here. Whatever, pandas. If we don't make it, we don't make it. But, I mean, with this uptrend, like, what's stopping us? What is absolutely stopping us here? Can anything stop us at this point? What in the world? Do I even come out break even here? Do I let this cook? Maybe some profit taking here at the all-time highs. Maybe some profit taking at the all-time highs, but maybe not. I mean, we're just going in. We're seeing. Why not? Let's just see how high this goes. Well, how high can you fly? Seriously, is the question right now. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Beautiful second entry long. Coming off the 20 MA. Beautiful looking signal bar as well. Every single dollar we're making right now is money that we can withdraw. Don't forget, pandas. Every single dollar we make right now is money we can withdraw today. And that's the beauty of TPT. That is the absolute beauty of TPT, pandas. Make sure you guys use code BBM if you want to join in the TPT revolution. Goodness gracious, pandas. Whoa, 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 whoa. Something happened with my trade cop here, but we're good. Our accounts are pretty much even. Hoo-wee! I love it. I absolutely love it. What a monster. What a monster uptrend. That's why I love TPT, pandas. That is why I love TPT. The thing is, like, with Apex, I could not dream making this much money on one account. Right? You can't do it because you have all those consistency rules. Like, in a sense, you can almost make more money with TPT with 5 accounts than with Apex 20 accounts. Because you have no limit to how much money you can make per account. Like, the most I'll make on any account is what? $1,000? $1,500 maybe? We're already 4 times as much as that. So, in a sense, 4 times 5, right? If I'm making that much money, that much more money per account, then that's basically 20 accounts on Apex. But I can withdraw the money today. Today, Mike. Today.
2,500 tick trap.
Goodness gracious, Panda. I cannot tell you the revolution has started. Wowzers. Crazy, Pandas. So crazy. So sick. OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. I mean, we're going long if it goes long. We're going long if it goes long here. It is so overextended at this point, but who cares? This is like no other market right now. Like I said, the higher low, pandas, that it feels like an entry short on the 5-minute chart. Wow. Like, jeez Louise, that was it. That was the move, and we took full advantage of it. Okay, so now we're breaking beneath. People are taking profits, I believe, at the all-time highs. Not sure if that means that we're going to reverse here, but definitely some bulls taking some profits here, in my opinion. I mean, we can consolidate for a long time here now. Who knows? We can consolidate here
5-minute
for a
trap.
little bit. Who knows? 5-minute trap. I mean, I don't mind if we pull back a little bit. I don't mind if we consolidate here, but now that we're seeing this price action, it makes me feel like, okay, it could be time to just let this cool off a little bit.
2,500
It's
tick
no longer
trap.
looking like this. We got this completely inside bar. We broke to the downside of the inside bar, actually. Maybe higher or low here. I don't know. It's tough to say. Like, we did make 2 legs down here. We did make 2 legs down, technically, here. Jeez Louise. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Enough for me to go in. Best guess trading is 23,848 last month's high. No, it's not the last month's high. It's the all-time high. I guess which also, I mean, it could be both. Whatever. You're right. But I think more importantly, it's the all-time high. Okay. Okay, I'm being patient here. Second entry long, do we like it? I think we leave it alone, pandas. This seems like it's consolidating a little bit here. Going in and out of the 20 MA at this point. Second entry long on the 2500 tick chart could be your setup. The second entry long 2500 tick chart could be your setup. This is the all-time highs. We're at the all-time highs. Okay, big pullback, right? Big pullback. Second entry long setting up here. This is going to be my last trade of the stream here. And if it works, beautiful. If it doesn't, oh wells, you know? Oh wellsies. But we're going to try here on a massive uptrend. This is actually pretty deep push down, right? Like, people are taking profits here for sure. The 5 minute, it's like basically the first pullback we've had in a while. It could be a breakout retest of the previous day's high. That's what we're looking for. Does this have more left in the tank to go up? Absolutely, pandas. Absolutely. This has way more. This is made a 1-to-1 on this inside bar setup. I mean, the higher time frames are just starting to cook. Second entry long, 2500 tick. Last setup of the stream here. We'll take it with 2, of course, just in case the runner does something amazing here.
2500 tick trap.
It's getting a little erratic right now. The price action get a little erratic. It's a little bit scary. I don't know what's happening here. It's getting a little bit erratic right now. Second entry long floating in midair, but we'll try anyways. Still want it. I still want this trade. If it's a super strong bear bar, I'll skip, but I'd like it to end above 50% of it. Wow. All right. It's pushing down hard. I don't mind this either. We can test 20 EMA at this point. I don't mind that either. I just don't like how big the risk is now. It got a little erratic. The price action got a little bit erratic at the end here. Okay, I'm gonna just guess this might be the good area. I mean, if we're above 50% of this, I'm gonna try.
2500 tick
I'm
trap.
definitely trying, pandas. We're definitely trying here, at least for a little bit of bamboo. Second entry long, 2500 tick chart. I'm seeing this correctly, right? I believe so. Big push down. Price action is a little funky, to be honest. Price action is a little funky, to be honest. Actually, a fail second entry long on the higher time or lower time frame. We're in. New high? Is it possible? New high, is it possible with the second entry long here? Very strong push up, which is a great start for me. You love it when it looks like this. We're touching that all-time high. It's kind of bouncing off of it, as you can see, right? So you get a nice strong bull bar ending on its high. I'm sticking. I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit. Okay, 1-to-1. It's not looking pretty, pandas. It's not looking pretty at all. Now it's not looking pretty. I liked how it looked in the beginning, where it was a strong bull bar. But if it ends like this, pandas, it's very sus. Very suspicious. I kind of want to let it cook, though. At least to make the 1-to-1. Fails against a short setting up on the 500 tick chart. I might load it up on the 500 tick if it does trigger that. If this is a fails against a short here, I may load it up. Having a hard time breaking above the all-time high again. You can see we can't close above it. This is one of those times you don't want your setup to trigger. You just want it to go up without you. Because I'm already in a trade. Give me a strong bull bar. I love that. New high, please. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Looks great for me right now. Looks great for me right now, in my opinion. Looks great. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. Can we break the previous candle's high is a question here. Shenanigans. Maybe shenanigans here. Loading up here. Let's see, pandas. Let's try. Let's try here. I think it's a good trade here. You got a lot of confluence here. Lots of confluence. Whatever. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Lots of confluence here. While the market's strong, we got to take advantage of it. While the market is strong, we got to take advantage of it. This is feeling more and more suspicious here because we're beneath the all-time high again. Okay. Am I in that trade? I guess I am. No, I don't want to be. The moment it triggers, it kind of reverses back down. It's not a good sign for me. This could be a big pain. I think I'm out here. I don't like it. I don't like that it didn't really break out when it should have. We can hold it for break even, whatever. Yeah, I mean, I'll take it out break even. It's all good. It's all good. I didn't like what I was seeing. I mean, it should have broken out. And I don't like how it's dancing on the previous all-time high. The higher low on the 5-minute looked juicy, right? Because you got a super strong bull bar ending on its high. Second entry long, looking for a new high here on the 2500 tick chart. It's just getting way too overlapping here. A little too overlapping here. It might work out here, who knows? This might be the move it's waiting for. But now we got like 7 overlapping bars in a row. It's not what I like. It's not what I want. Clearly above the 20 MA, so you still have a nice... You have nice reasons to go long still here. Okay? It might break out now. All good. I tried. I tried to take advantage of it. Couldn't do it. Now the market to me is getting a little bit sloppy, a little bit choppy. It's not what it was before. It's not what it was before. It's getting a little bit choppy here. A little bit confusing. A little bit more back and forth. Lots of overlapping bars now. It's getting tricky. Pandas. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take my what? My $1,200. What is this? What's this profit right now? We're up 6,220 minus 4,500 times
2,500 tick trap.
I'll take my $6,888 today. I'll take it. It's all in a day's work. Pure and simple. You gotta love TPT. You gotta love TPT. When I come and stream 9:15 a.m. Eastern time every day. These are pro accounts, not pro plus accounts. Pro plus accounts, trust me, do not. I traded pro plus accounts. It is worse than pro accounts. It is worse than pro accounts. Because you do not get the leverage that you would get on the pro accounts. They do not allow you to trade your full 150K leverage. You can only trade the leverage of the account profits you have, which is insane to me. Which is insane. Which is just makes it so much worse. Might as well just trade your own money then at that point. And keep 100% of your profits instead of 90%. There's absolutely no reason to do Pro Plus accounts, in my opinion. Just zero advantages. Okay. High or low here. It's getting very choppy. Very sus here. I don't love it. But 2 bull bars on the 5-minute chart, I'll try. The 2 bull bars on the 5-minute chart, I'll jump in here. Thinking always and long. If not always and long, it is what it is. I'll lose. I don't want to risk too much here. But we got, 2 strong bull bars ending on their high on the super strong uptrend. You're thinking it'd be a little bit of follow through. Absolutely no follow through. Just reverse. Gets folded here. It's all good. I thought always and long. I thought it would be always and long. But the fact that it's not, it just reverses on me. I really thought always and long here. Chance that it can keep going up, but at this point, it's to me, it might be my first loser today. Might be my first loser today. On this uptrend, after the reversal, might be my first loser. After 2 strong bull bars on the super strong move up, I'm thinking the bulls are feeling a little bit confident now that this is going to at least make a new high with the 2 strong bull bars. So I thought they would all jump in here. I guess not. I know the moment I take my trade out, it's going to pop up. But if I don't take my trade out, it's going to reverse on me. It's a catch-22 here for certain. It's a catch-22 for certain.
Target filled.
I just take my money. I'm too scared. There. I knew it. The moment I took my trade out, it was going to pop up. But if I don't take my trade out, it was going to reverse on me. It's the catch-22 of trading, pandas. Trust me. I've been there. It's not that I've been there. I live there, pandas. It's just getting way too choppy here, pandas. Like I said, the price action has changed. The quality and the character of the price action has changed so far from what it was. So now you got to be careful, in my opinion. It's not what it was. It's not like you just keep going long. You'll make a bunch of bamboo, in my opinion. All right, pandas. I love the profits. I'm going to take all these profits out today. And I will be, I don't know. What should I do with these accounts? Yeah, I'm going to take all my profits out today because I want to get a 5th account. I want to get a 5th account. I want to get a 5th account and then let's just trade them. Let's just trade them, see how they go. I want to get that 5th account, pandas. Actually, I want to get that 5th account up to the level of these other accounts. That's what I want. That would be nice. That would be real nice. All right, pandas. I think that's it for today. We've been streaming for a while now. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, and yeah, we'll get those profits. As always, pandas. Happy trading, God bless. Bye.